What's up, guys? Thomas here with Tic Tac Toe Dad. You may recognize me from the Guardian Angel commercials or TikTok. I've gained a lot of attention over the past month or two. 0 to 18,000 followers. This video is shot in POV of me working an accident involving 2 vehicles and heavy cleanup. My goals here is to showcase the Guardian Angel light for you, as well as give a little bit of an insight as to what we do as tow truck operators. Hope you enjoy.